Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Edge browser, Microsoft Edge browser on your OnePlus 10 Pro. So in order to do that, you'll need to open your Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Microsoft Edge and hit the search button. Now open this app and press install. After installation process be complete, you can open the app. Like that. And now we can begin customizing our browser. You can sign in to turn on the sync with other devices, to just add an account or press here. I'm not gonna do that, sign in later. Here you can either agree or disagree with your data sharing privacy preferences. I'm not gonna do that, go confirm. You can also set the Microsoft Edge as your default browser. Just press yes, let's do it. Go to browser app, select Edge, go back, and your browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.